Somewhere along the way, the trail disappeared. Now I'm standing in the middle of nowhere, surrounded by mountains. No clue which way to go.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the beautiful state of Utah. We're back out here on the trail this morning. It's a cold one, about 30 degrees. Last night we had some snow. Today we're back out in Rose Canyon in Herriman, hitting the trail. We're doing the Breccia Trail today. Goes up a ridge, a bit of a scramble. It is an out and back trail, just about 3 miles out, and maybe we'll extend it a little bit. We'll see how it goes. All in all, we'll do about 1,600 feet of elevation. Should be a good one. Let's get it in. All right, let's talk about our trail today. It's a really good one. It's the Breccia Trail. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's spelled Breccia. I don't know, Breccia. So this trail is a pretty intense one as far as incline and elevation gain. So we head up to what's called the Breccia Knob. It's about 3 miles there. Like I said, about 1,600 feet in that 3 miles. So that's what we got going here. Let's keep moving. Looks like someone left a sweatshirt here. Someone's cold. Park City, 1884. Well, wherever you are, hopefully you're still warm out there. All right, going well, feeling all right, feeling good, legs are feeling solid. We're about 1.5 miles in, just over 1.5 miles. Here's where we start hitting some of that elevation gain. Let's hit it. Breccia way. Making our ascent up this steep trail. Pretty good vert. A little bit of a switchback. Oh, Nelly. Small trail. This trail, I can tell that it's not as well traveled as the main paths here, as the main trails here in Herriman. So, as I know you've all tuned into my other videos on my channel, this is one video in a series of many of the Herriman trail system. And go ahead up here, click that little link, take you to some more Herriman trail videos. Up away we go. Check out the view going up. Right, we reached the ridge. We started all the way down there. You can see on the other side of this ridge, worked over, came up the little gully there, Breccia Trail, came up to here, this point. Copper mine, Kennecott copper mine. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna head up and get up to the Breccia Knob. All right, we're here at the base of the knob, making our final ascent up this, I think it's about 600 feet of vertical coming up here. It's gonna be slow going, slow and steady, gonna make it up the hill. Breccia Knob. That was intense, folks. Reached the peak of Breccia Knob, elevation 7,500 feet, just about. Gorgeous view. All right, team, we're gonna make some descent here. We're gonna head down over this way, follow the ridge, cut back on the ridge here all the way down. You can see the trail. I think that's the way we're gonna go. Don't want to go back down that way. Very steep, very rocky as we're coming up. So make sure we got everything. Hey, hope you're having a great day today. It's a great day to be outside, great day to get a run in. A little bit chilly, that's for sure. All right, team, making our descent here. Let's see, I don't know how many miles are we in. Probably about close to 5. All said and done, we may be closer to 7. A couple miles back to the truck. With any luck, the truck hasn't been impounded and towed off. We'll see. With any luck. Right, team, we're gonna finish it up. We'll be just over 7.5 miles and just over 1,600 feet elevation gain this morning. Beautiful trail out on the Breccia Trail, the Rose Canyon area here in Herriman, and looking forward to getting back to the truck, making sure everything's safe and secure, and we got an oatmeal cream pie waiting for us. Another chapter written, another run in the books. Keep pounding that pavement.
Ah, there you are, you sweet little morsel. Ooh, warm from the sun.
There it is. Oh yeah.